Welcome to Cooking with Starlight. Today it's all about bread. We're lucky today here in the southwest of the UK, in Cornwall. We have nice blue sky while the rest of the country is currently getting covered in snow. Using suncalc.org you can navigate to your exact position on the globe and tell how high the sun is at any hour of any day. Today in Cornwall the sun will not be above 20 degrees above the horizon. This is because we are 50 degrees above the equator here and it's winter. If you want to make bread you only need 4 ingredients: flour, salt, yeast and some water. 300 grams of this flour, which is the cheapest flour I could get in a well-known German supermarket, costs about 55 pence for 1.5 kilos. That means the loaf I'm making today has 11 pence worth of flour in it, salt, yeast and 200 grams of water. And that's it. Mix all that up, leave it in a bowl overnight to prove in the morning all the gluten is well developed. Put it into the aluminium half pipe tray which I use in Tilty, which has a black silicon mat which will go up to 220 degrees centigrade and makes cleanup very easy. Tilty McTiltface may be mounted on an old commode chair and weighed down with blocks of granite, but she still does a good job of making a nice loaf even in the winter. It's still winter here in Cornwall. It's the 8th February. We're not really meant to preheat these tubes for fear of thermal shock. However, I usually take this tube up to about 110 degrees centigrade before putting the bread in because it gets it off to a good start. Well, it's been over half an hour now and it's time to get the bread out of the oven. Now we're going to let it cool for a bit. I put this back in and I allow Tilty to cool down slowly. As you should be able to hear, we have a nice bit of crunch from this loaf.